Hi friends, now we are going to see the problems based on blood relations. Okay, now see the another kind of problem based on blood relations. Blood relations. Okay, now see the problems based on blood relations. The first problem here is the conclusions given here is if x plus y means if x plus y means x is the daughter of y. X is the daughter of y. Again, if x into y means x is the son of y. X is the son of y. Again, x minus y means x is the wife of y. X is the wife of y. Okay, plus means daughter, into means son, minus means wife. Okay, now see the first question here. If p into q minus s, which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true here? Then the A statement is S is the wife of Q. S is the wife of S is the wife of Q. S is the father of P. S is the father of P. P is the daughter of Q. P is the daughter of Q. Q is the father of P. Q is the father of P. Now we should find out what is the correct statement. Which of the following is the correct statement? Let's see here. P is the son of Q. P is the son of Q. P is the son of Q. The P is son means it is a male candidate. Okay, P is the son of Q, and P is son of P into Q means here into means X is the son of Y. Here P into Q means P is the son of Q. Okay, P is the son of Q. Again, Q minus S. Q minus S means X minus Y means X is the wife of Y. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ వైఫ్. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ మైనస్ వై మీన్స్ క్యూ ఈజ్ ద వైఫ్ ఆఫ్ వై. క్యూ ఈజ్ ద వైఫ్ ఆఫ్ వై. Q is the wife of S. It means it is wife means it is female. Okay, wife means female. Q is the wife of S. Now see the options here. Which of the following statement is true? Okay, S is the wife of Q. No, here Q is the wife of S. No, it is not a true statement. Okay, S is the father of P. S is the father of P. Yes, it is the right statement. Is Q means mother. Q is the mother of P and S is the father of P. It is the right statement. P is the daughter of Q. No, here P is given as son, so it is not a true statement. Here Q is the father of P. No, Q here given as wife, so that it is not valid statement. D is also a wrong statement. Okay, in this way we have to find the blood relations problem. Let me see another problem here. The second one here is P T minus S into B minus M. Which of the following is not true? Which of the following is Which of the following is not true? Let's see here. The statements given is A as B is mother of S. B is mother of S. Again B is M husband of B. M is husband of B. T is wife of S. T is wife of S. S is daughter of B. S is daughter of B. S is daughter of B. Let's see here. T minus S. Minus means X is the wife of S. That T is the wife of S. Okay. T is the wife of S. Then T is the wife means minus, that means female. Wife of S means female. Okay. T means the wife of S. Then second one given is S into B. S into B means into means X is the son of Y. That means S is the son of B. 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 Then here given B minus M. B minus means B is the wife of M. B is the wife of M. B is the wife of M. Okay. Here it is given clearly. Now we have to find out what is the true statement. B is the mother of S. B is the mother of S. Okay. B is the mother of S. Yes, it is the right one. Okay. B is the mother of S. It means S is the son of, here given clearly, S is the son of B. S is the son of B means B is given as, here B is given as B is the wife. B is the wife of M. Here it is given as female. So that here it is a female. So that in previous one it is not given that it is wife, it is male or female. But here final statement B minus M చూసి ఇది మనం female అని prove అయింది. So that B is the mother of S is a true statement. Now second one, M is the husband of B. M is the husband of B. Yes, B is the wife of M means M is the husband of B. This is the right one. Okay. T is the wife of S. Yes, this is also a true statement. T is also a wife of S. S is the daughter of B. No, here S is given as male. So that S is daughter of B is not a valid statement. It is not a true statement. Okay. In this way we can find the blood relations. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe.